You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing brand names and Spanish words that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. La Quinta. La Quinta. In Spanish, you might be surprised to learn that it means the fifth. La Quinta, not La Quinta, not La Quinta. La Quinta. La Quinta. Just replace the Q-U with a K. La Quinta. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.